Hello friends, how's it going? It's me, Betty Jean. In today's video, I did 2 looks with the new Raw Beauty Kristi Colourpop collab, the At Forest Sight palette. I did already do a first impressions with this, and I also plan on doing an Instagram video. If you want some extra look inspiration, just check out that first video and stay tuned for the other one. This is what the inside looks like just in case you haven't seen it. It's so pretty. It has those colorful tones, but it's like grungy, a little bit deeper. I love this. I think she did such a beautiful job with this color story. We have mostly mattes, 2 shimmers, and only 1 of those sequin shadows, which I did use in this video. It still doesn't make me thrilled because I don't love that formula, but if you just pretend it's a matte, then it's lovely. I'm so happy there's no glitters in this. I'm happy it's not filled with sequins. I think just in general, I'm really happy with this palette. It's such an exciting one. Colourpop hasn't done a really colorful palette like this in quite a while, and I'm very excited and so happy for Kristi. I love Raw Beauty Kristi so much. I've been watching her for years, and I'm just thrilled that she got to have this opportunity. So in this video, I created 2 looks. I'll go over my jewelry details at the beginning of each of those looks, just so you're aware. I know I'm gonna get questions because I always do. And at the end of the video, I'll give you my thoughts on the palette. I'll kind of break down what I think, give you my little review, and that'll be that. Spoiler alert though, I am really enjoying this. It makes me very excited, and I guess let's just hop in and create these looks. Hi, let's create look number 1. I just got off work. I had an early day today. I mean, it's 4 p.m. right now. It's not like it's early, but I had some time this evening before Zane gets off work, so I thought we would film look number 1. Even though I don't really like sequin shadows, I really want to do a look where this sequin shadows all over the lid blended into the blue, and I might do a pop of gold on the lower lash line. I don't know why, that's just kind of what I'm feeling today. We'll see how it goes. Today is Monday the 16th, just so you know how far ahead pre-film this is. I don't think it's going to be crazy pre-filmed. Just a little bit. I don't think I'll be able to film look number 2 till the end of the week, so that's why I'm getting started early. Priming with the Urban Decay Primer Potion. I'm not going to set it because I don't prefer to do that. Oh, and before I hop in and forget to say, these plugs are from Love Kills Boutique. This choker is from the brand Shop Sun & Co. You can use my affiliate code BUTEBEAN for 10% off. And I got this necklace at just a little boutique in Puerto Rico. I don't know the name of it. It was just a shop I popped in last year. All right, let's go ahead and start with PNW, this beautiful blue. I'm gonna use this Kaleidos brush. This is the S3. It's kind of like a tapered blending brush. I like brushes like this because I can kind of focus it a little on the lid and kind of tuck it in the crease and start blending a little bit. I don't know, it's just kind of what I'm feeling right now. You might hear cars and stuff because my window's open. It feels nice outside. I'm enjoying it. Every chance I can, I enjoy the good weather. It's not too often Florida gets lovely weather. I'm just popping it here. I'm not really doing a super winged out look with this. I just want this to be very concentrated and deep. I think that'll be really cute. I'm gonna smudge a little of this on the lower lash line as well. Just have a nice little halo of this color all around my eye. What are you up to today? What's going on with you? How's life? It might be Thanksgiving-ish by the time this video goes up. It might be like the week of Thanksgiving. What are your plans? It's already starting to come together so nicely. I want to take a little bit of Old Growth now, this light pinky shade. I'm just going to take a teeny bit of that on this Alter Ego number 3 brush. And I'm just going to use that just to help diffuse this blue just a teeny bit. Again, I want this to be pretty concentrated right around my eye, but I do want the edges to be a little bit diffused. I don't usually do just all dark smoky looks like this. Kind of excited for it actually. All right, let's take Let It Rain now. This sequin shadow, the bane of my existence. I just don't love, like I would just so much prefer like mattes and shimmers, but we'll see how this one goes. I'm gonna take this on a Luxie 213. It's very small and dense, so it might be able to pack this down nicely. And if not, if the sparkle goes away, it's whatever. It'll just be a matte look. It's not the end of the world. I'm just gonna focus this on the lid and start working it through the crease just a little bit. I'm not taking it up very high. I just want it to blend into the blue. Supposedly, if you use your finger, the sparkle sticks better, and I will go back in with my finger once I have the basis of this put down and blended together. I'm gonna take just the teensiest bit of PNW on that first Kaleidos brush, just to smudge right along these edges. This is looking really pretty. I really like these darker tones when it comes to winter. I'm all about like a dark smoky eye this time of year. All right, gonna take a little bit of Let It Rain just on my finger. I'm gonna try to press it across the lid to see if any of that sparkle wants to stick. I'm gonna try not to blend too much, but I do wanna make sure that it's all flowing nice. I mean, looking at it up close, the sparkle is really not sticking that much. But you know, It is what it is. I still like it even as just like a mostly matte look, so it's fine. I think that's the main reason I don't like sequins. It's like, it gets my heart hyped up for something that doesn't even really do anything. But it's still a really pretty deep blackberry kind of color. It's really nice. I'm gonna take West Coast now, this gold, and I wanna pop a little of that in the front portion of my lower lash line. This is a Colourpop E5 brush, just a little pencil brush. And I wanna just pop some of that right up against the front. I really like golds and like tealy blues like this together. I think it's a really pretty combo. We'll just add a little extra glitz and spice into the look. Kinda like that. Ooh, I don't hate this. For the inner corner, I think I'm gonna take the Olympic Super Shock shadow that came with the collection. Obviously, if you don't have the Super Shock and you only have the palette, just use your face highlight. It's not the end of the world. I'm just gonna pop that in the inner corner. I don't know why I'm using a brush. These work so much better with a finger. Let me get my finger. And just stamp that in there. Oh, yes. Should I pop the Super Shock across the lid a little bit or leave it matte? Oh, I'm tempted. I think I'm gonna leave it matte though. I don't do matte looks like this hardly ever, so I think I'm just gonna enjoy it. I'm going to, I guess, repeat it on the other eye, throw on my Lashes eye pencil lip product, and I'll be back when my look's complete. Well, all right, this is the completed look. I hope you like it. I feel really pretty in this look. I just love this deep lid increase. I love the pop of gold. I feel very glamorous, but this was so simple. I really like this look. The eye pencil I paired with this from the Raw Beauty Kristi collection is the Spare Time pencil. My lashes are the Style Plush from Alter Ego. I know how off-brand of me to use small lashes, but I feel like with really dark looks like this, that's when I wish my natural lashes looked really cute, so that's why I threw on small lashes, to mimic the effect of if I had pretty natural lashes. And on my lips, I did a little lip combo. I used the NYX Suede Tea and Cookies pencil, and then from the Raw Beauty Kristi collab, the Luxe Gloss in the shade Wildflower. Yes. I feel like this pink lip is really cute with this vibe. I don't know. I'm very happy with this look. I'm going to go and actually film my holiday decor haul, and then I guess we'll move on to look number 2 whenever I have time to film that. Hi, good morning. Let's film look number 2. My window's open again, by the way, because it's so chilly today. I love it. I've already had coffee, but I had to make a hot chocolate with a little bit of eggnog, a little bit of nutmeg. Feeling Christmassy right now. That's so delightful. Okay, let's create look number 2. I want to do something fairly simple for this as well. I really don't want to do anything crazy like cut creasy or anything like that. I just really want to play with these colors in their overly saturated form. That doesn't make sense. That's what I'm feeling though. By the way, my jewelry for this look, these are the same plugs from Love Kills Boutique as look number 1. These earrings are from Spooky Doodle Club on Etsy, and this choker is also from Shop Sun & Co, and you can use my affiliate code again, BeauteBean, for 10% off. For this look, I want to play with the mustard, the purple, and the gold. That's the vibe I'm feeling. I think that'll be super, super cute, and I'm ready for it. I'm gonna prime again with my Urban Decay primer potion, and I'm not gonna set it because I don't prefer to do that. Actually, I might play with the green into the mustard, but I want to keep the green really focused towards the lashes, so it's going to be mostly the mustard. So I'm going to start with that. It's called Puffball, and I'm going to use this Alter Ego brush. It's the number 1. This is like a tapered blending brush, so it's going to allow me to kind of press on the lid and also blend through the crease, kind of like I used in look number 1. I'm not too focused with making the lid perfect yet. I'm just trying to lay this shadow down. And the lower lash line is going to be totally overtaken with the purple. And I'm excited. I'm also excited to film an Instagram video with this palette. I hope your day is going well. I know it's literally the same day as last time I asked for look number 1, but I still hope you're doing okay. I'm in a really good mood, especially because it's cold outside. That makes me so happy. Just working on fluffing this through the crease, inner to outer. I am going to wing this out a tad bit, but nothing too crazy. I'm going to take this Chanterelle shade now, actually, because I haven't used this one yet. It's kind of like a light creamsicle shade, and I'm going to use this Colourpop E2 brush. Just a teeny bit of it, and I'm going to focus this just in the crease, just to add a little bit of lightness in the crease, help blend it out a teeny bit. Just going all the way from inner to outer. As usual, just trying to get a nice soft blend. Oh, that's so pretty. I don't know if I want to add green. I'm kind of liking just the mustard vibe. No, I think I want to add a little bit of green. So I'm going to take Fiddlehead, and I'm going to take it on this, I almost dropped my whole palette, this e.l.f. J Kiss brush, the J2. Just a teeny bit of this, and I just want to kind of dust it along the lashes of my lid. I don't want this to necessarily look green per se. I just want it to add a little bit of depth and diffusion. Actually, this step's kind of pointless because I'm going to be doing a wing soon. I'm just going to try to cover this up. Just ignore what I just did. The green literally doesn't matter because I forgot I'm going to be doing a wing. Although actually the depth of mixing kind of the mustard and the green together is kind of cute across the lid, so I don't know. Do your thing. This is what happens sometimes when doing makeup. You change your mind 1,000 times along the process. So I am going to do the lower lash line first before going in with my wing, just because I don't want the blending of the lower lash line to affect my wing. So I'm going to take this purple shade, Amanita. I think I'm mispronouncing that. I'm very sorry. This is the Luxie 141 brush. I'm just going to press this up against my lower lashes. Super, super tight. Oh my gosh, that shade of purple is stunning, especially against that mustard. Ooh, that's really cute. This one is advertised as a pressed pigment, not an eyeshadow, by the way, so this shade might stain, just so you're aware, but that doesn't bother me. But I always get questions as to which shades are pressed pigments in palettes, so that's the one in this palette, only this shade. I'm going to take this Morphe E17, it's so old, and I'm going to take just the teensiest little bit of that shade, and I'm going to just start blending this out. I'm being very careful not to blend it with the yellow in my outer corner because if you know the color wheel, purple and yellow are opposites. They are complementary. If you blend them together, they will neutral out and it can create muddy tones when we're trying to keep these tones very full and saturated. Oh, this purple is stunning. This is like my favorite way to pair complementary colors, is like doing one on the lid and crease and then one on the lower lash line. It's so pretty because these colors just sing next to each other and then you don't have to worry about blending them together. I'm dragging the shade pretty far down because I just want a very blown out lower lash line. I think it's so cute. For my wing, I'm going to actually use the gold, the West Coast shade, as like a really pretty gold wing. I think that'll be cute. Obviously, you can skip the wing. Leave it here. It's really cute as it is. To help me out, I'm going to use my NYX Glitter Primer just to really help keep the shimmer concentrated in a certain spot. And I just use it with every shimmer, so yeah. Putting just a little squeeze of it on this e.l.f. J. Kissa brush, the J5. And hopefully my mirror isn't blocking the screen. I'm just going to draw a rough outline of a wing with this glue. It's not really gonna look like much of anything. Just pretending to draw a wing on my lid. And now using the same sticky brush, I'm going in with the gold. And I'm just going to start forming a wing. I've said this 1,000 times, but if you're someone that struggles with winged liner, practice with eyeshadow because it's so much easier and so much more forgiving if you need to move things around. I love doing wings with shadow, especially shimmer, because it can just be such a cute little statement. Sometimes depending on the shimmer, it can transfer on to your like lid and crease, if just depending on your eye shape and the formulation of the shadow. But for the most part, I don't really have trouble. This is such a pretty gold. I'm not even a huge gold person. I don't wear it that often, but I love how yellow this is. It's almost not even a gold. It's almost just a pure shimmer yellow, which is hard to find. Ooh, I really like that. I feel like that just added an extra pop. I almost feel like it made my purple look even brighter because it's even more of a true yellow than the mustard is. Really like this. For the inner corner, this time I'm going to use the Mycelium Super Shock Shadow from the Raw Beauty Kristi collection. I'm just gonna tap a little in the inner corner. The shade is so pretty. I almost might like this one more than Ritz, which is shocking. I haven't decided yet, but I think it's so pretty and just wet looking. Oh, it's so cute. All right, well, at this moment, I'm going to repeat it on the other eye, throw on my lashes, eye pencil, and lip color, and I'll be back when the look's complete. All right, this is the second look. What do you think? I think it came out really pretty. Again, very simple, but I feel like it's so impactful, very colorful, but like muted colorful. I don't feel like when I wear this, I feel the same as when I wear like bright blue, if that makes sense. I really like this. I love the tones in this palette. They're just deeper, almost a little grungier. I'm very here for it, and I love how this came out. The eye pencil I paired with this is the Marigold one from the collection, and my goodness, is this not the most beautiful yellow eye pencil in the world? It has that mustardiness, but it's still bright. I love this so much. I'm wearing the same plush lashes from Alter Ego. I just thought they would be cute with this look. And on my lips, I went with the Jealousy liquid lipstick from Alter Ego as well, actually. I have a discount code with Alter Ego. It's BEAN in all caps. It'll save you 10%. That is an affiliate code, by the way, meaning I'll make a commission if you use it, but it's there if you want to use it. I appreciate it very much, but don't feel pressured. But yeah, this is the shade Jealousy. I love this color. I feel like it's just like a My Lips, not a My Lips but better. This is like a My Lips but enhanced by a lot color. I like the mauviness to it. I feel like it has a nice richness to it, but it doesn't feel too off from wearing like just a neutral either. I love this color and I thought it would complement this look nicely, and yeah. I hope you liked this look. I hope you enjoyed this video. I guess let's just zoom out and I'll give you my thoughts thus far on the palette. Alright, that's it. That's the end of the video. What did you think? Which look was your favorite? I really like both looks, but I think look number one I like just a teensy bit more. I just loved how deep and sultry it looked. Very into that, but I'm really liking this one as well. It's a shame that I'm going to take this off soon to film yet another video, but it'll be cute for the meantime. It'll be cute for a picture. Honestly, so far, I'm just thrilled with this palette. I really don't have any complaints. I mean, I wish that this Let It Rain shadow wasn't a sequin shadow, but it still looked cute in look number one. It just doesn't have like sparkle to it. But if you just pretend it's a matte, it's a nice shade. I think at this point, the only shadow I haven't played with yet is Rainier. I did swatch it, which is why there's like a little smudge in it, but I haven't played with that one on my eyes yet, I think. But I've played with everything else, and I'm honestly very happy. I feel like everything blends really easily. I feel like it's that same Colourpop quality that I know and trust. I don't feel like anything was too difficult to work with personally. My memory card just filled up, so if things suddenly look like slightly off, that's because I had to put a new memory card in. As I was saying though, I'm pretty sure this is out of stock right now, but I'm also pretty sure it's coming back in stock. And if you're someone who doesn't have these colors in your collection and you want to venture into these tones and want something at more of an affordable price, I feel like this would be a good option for you. I think it performs nicely. I think the colors are really pretty. I feel like you have a lot of versatility with looks you can do with this palette, and I'm just pretty happy with it. I do have a discount code with Colourpop. It's 5BeatBean. It'll save you $5 on orders, I believe 25 or more. It doesn't always work with everything, but it's worth a shot. I don't make any commission off of it. It's just for you, and it shows Colourpop that I sent you. I feel like with this color story, I have a similar vibe with my Ace Beauté Flare and also from Alter Ego, the Artemis, and even the Goddess palette when it comes to the like mustards and blues and that gold there in the center, but I don't feel like it's all exactly the same. I feel like I have differences between everything. Do I think you need everything? It's up to you, honestly. I personally am content having this one also in my collection because I feel like I have enough differences with it, and it's also just a different layout. But if you look at this palette and you're like, oh, I want that, but I could probably dupe it with this, then dupe it with that. Do whatever you need to do, don't feel pressured. I feel like with every palette ever, there's always going to be similarities to another palette, so it's just up to you to make your own judgment and decide if you think having it in your collection is worth it or not. I'm personally happy to have this in my collection. I'll definitely be keeping this around for a while. I think it's very cute and I'm very pleased with it. Anyways, I would love to know your thoughts. What did you think of my looks? What do you think of this palette? Did you pick it up? Do you want to pick it up in the future? I just want to hear all your thoughts down below. If you made it to the end of this video, leave me an emoji that makes you think of the forest. And if you like this video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up. If you're not already, please hop over to my Instagram. It's BeatBean. Follow me there. I post every single day, and don't forget to subscribe. I'm posting most days here as well. Please make sure you're staying informed with Black Lives Matter. There's a link in my description box that will take you to resources and ways in which you can help. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Okay, bye.